Hello world, welcome back to the Razor RC, and we are at it again with the Traxxas XRT, a 1/6 scale race truck, trucky, I don't know, whatever you want to call it. But yeah, we're at the large BMX track, which I think will be an interesting place to test this thing because in my opinion, it's not really a stunt truck, so really more of a handling type of vehicle for large spaces. So we'll see how it performs. I did solder up a little bit longer battery leads. I mentioned that in my first run video that I think they're too short. We're running the Gens Ace Redline 6000 milliamp hour race packs with some new 90-degree bullet plugs I just soldered up. And I also did go down to the 46 tooth spur gear from the 50 tooth. So should add a little more top speed, about 8% or so. So we'll see how that runs. And yeah, let's take this thing out. Got the battery, the body. So you may even notice I'm missing a wing mount. That's because it broke on the first run. I didn't even crash it. It just broke just by landing it from a big jump. So I'm running it without a wing, which is kind of unfortunate because it would definitely drive better with the wing. And traction here looks really good. Did rain last night just a little bit, so track is nice and damp. Traction should be as good as it's going to get with the stock tires here. So all right, yeah, first time here. Try to avoid some puddles. Definitely still not a lot of correction. Whoa! Hard to see where I'm going. Avoid the pedal. Avoid that big, whatever that is, that cushion or something. Oh! Whoa! All right, kicked up off that jump a bit. Definitely a front weight bias. It likes to kind of nosedive. A bit, so you want to stay on the throttle for sure. Oh yeah. To me, this is what this... just jump the puddle, right? Yeah, I feel like this is what the truck was really made for. I mean, there's no 1/6 scale truggy racing, but maybe there should be. Whoops. A little off track there. Double. This is basically a triple. Call it auto flip, or what does Traxxas call it? The auto rollover. All right. So one problem I did have on the first run is I did crack the chassis a little bit right there. Plastic seems a little brittle, so something to watch out for sure. This bottom piece, as you can see, it sticks out more than the rest of the truck. So yeah, that again I think is the reason why this is not really a stunt truck. The bottom of the chassis is like lower than the rest of the truck, so that smacks first, as opposed to something like the X-Max, which is obviously more contoured inward. So yeah, just something kind of funny. Well, I think we're gonna call it there. Some pretty good smacks on the front end. Nothing too crazy bad. Didn't land on like a corner or anything like that. Truck drives quite well actually here at the track. There's no Traxxas XRT race class. Maybe there should be a spec class. I think that'd be pretty fun. You have a big enough place, some good jumps, some good speed, all that kind of stuff. So yeah, this truck needs a little bit of tuning, I think, still, even at this type of surface. But yeah, it performed way better. Wish I had a wing that would have helped it out as well, but drives quite well on a racetrack. So yeah, hopefully you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to hit the like, share, subscribe buttons. Look for more videos soon. Thanks for watching.